Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a front carbon with 3 groups in the front and then a back carbon with 3 groups in the back, like I was doing when I told you guys about the way the Newman projection works. So I'm going to say that, for example, the front one is my red carbon and the back one is my blue carbon. Okay? So my red carbon I would just draw with a little dot. Okay? And I would draw that it has 3 things coming off of it. Okay? You can draw your little triangle thing or whatever that's called however you want. You could start with it with a point up or you can start with a point down. It doesn't matter as long as the other one is consistent. So basically what I would say is then, okay, what are the 3 things that that red carbon is attached to? Well, it seems to be attached to an H on the top, an H on the top, and then a CH3 at the bottom. That is this CH3 right here. Get that? Then I look back at the blue one. The blue one, imagine that it's kind of peeking out from behind the red one. So the blue one is going to be a circle behind, and then I'm going to draw the 3 groups that the blue one is on, okay, that the blue one has. So the blue one has what? It seems to have 2 H's, H and H. And then what else does it have? Well, it has a 2 carbon chain coming off of it. So that would be what you could just write as CH2, CH3. Does that make sense? Okay? Another way to write that would have been to write ET, which stands for ethyl. Okay? Another way to write CH3 would be to write ME, which stands for methyl. Okay? And there's abbreviations for a bunch of these different ones. All right? And your professor might use those more than he actually uses the letters.